Good morning. Welcome to another vlog. My voice just gets lower and lower as time goes on. Can I have a little kind of first world problems gripe? It especially comes up this time of year. It's basically this.
Okay, you see what that says? Mr. and Mrs. Cussens.
I am not, nor have I ever been, Mrs. Cussens. I am Iris Fritschi-Cussens, and if one needs to use a title, I will be none of your business, Ms. I am not Mrs. Cussens. It's just like, it's my little gripe, and it really like, I know it shouldn't bother me, but it does.
What are we making?
We are making a robot.
A robot. And you are currently doing the arms. And I feel like those colours really go very well with what we've got going on here. Pull that through a little bit. Yeah, that's the arm. Really good.
We've got our storage. So if we close this up, it's the system lock.
Oh yeah, system lock.
No, you can't open it.
Okay, show me the legs.
Look at these tin can legs.
Yep,
Oh,
tin
so
can
cute.
legs. And look, show me the head. And what about all these buttons? There's lots and lots of buttons.
So the power, I think that's pretty obvious.
Yeah, really good, Zeph.
You just press choose and you choose whatever you want.
Right, it's Saturday. Today has just been a day of like managing the kids. I was helping Zephyr build a robot for a homework project, and I think that's one of those projects that the school thinks like, oh, we'll give you a fun project so you can like spend time with your kids, quality time, and it's like hours and hours of like, I don't think they realize how long it takes to do a project like that, because like kids don't have motivation to build a robot. I mean, they would if it was their own idea, but not if it's a homework assignment. Anyway, we made the robot and I'm really pleased with how it went, but it did take a long time. And then I was encouraging the kids to write a couple of Christmas cards, one each, to their friends who they're visiting tonight. And that took an hour. So, you know, that is life with kids. Nothing can just... 5-minute jobs are not 5-minute jobs, they take an hour. Anyway, Andrew and I are going out tonight for Christmas dinner with his old friends. I mean, as in his childhood friends. Can I say that they're old friends? Anyway, so I am in here doing my makeup. So let's do that. I'll try and do it in the viewfinder. It's quite difficult actually. It's not as good as a mirror.
This lighting is better, although I look really made up now. I'm not actually this made up. It's just the lighting. Oh, okay. That looks a bit more natural actually. If you can hear the noise, it's because it's rainy outside, which makes the cars twice as noisy. It's just one of those wonderful December English weather days. I've been musing a little bit about like the end of the year and the things I've achieved this year, and I was thinking about the fact that in about mid-2020 I was lamenting to a friend that I didn't know what to do with my life, and I still don't know what I want to do with my life, but I feel like this last year I have done a lot. Like, I have been using my time so much more. I've made less art actually than I have before, but I've worked a lot more kind of consistently and seriously on my business. I mean, pretty much a year later from that conversation with that friend, I launched my Patreon. And that's been a huge deal. I find it so difficult to celebrate my successes because I always feel like, well, it's just what I'm doing. It's just, you know, shrug. But I am starting to see how all of these things are like building blocks and they build up. And little things Like, you don't know when something is little or when something is big. You don't know when that little thing that you do actually turns out to be like the little foundation block in something that doesn't come to fruition until much later, and doesn't come to fruition because you knew that that's what you were doing. No, it's just like you building on stuff without necessarily an end goal in mind. I mean, having goals is great, but yeah, I used to have really concrete goals, and then I realized that it was just keeping me busy rather than allowing me to kind of mindfully live my life and check in with myself as to what was right and what was the right direction and stuff like that. So I think I went through quite a long period of not being very productive, like quite a few years after I kind of let go of that setting of goals, but I hadn't yet found another strategy or way of being. But I don't know, like, I feel like I have worked hard this year whilst staying close to my feelings, and whilst also spending a lot of time on my therapy and being and connecting. Really feel like I've come into my own this year with the vlogging, and especially these last few weeks with the Vlogmas. It's been great. I feel myself slowing down now, which is fine. But it's kind of like, yeah, it's put into context for me what's important to me. That's why I've been putting more stuff with the kids into these vlogs, because I realized that is the stuff that I want to be looking back on. You know, I don't know how interested I'm going to be in the endless cups of tea. I mean, they will still be in the vlogs, the cups of tea. Don't worry. And then I'm looking forward to next year, seeing where that's going to take me. I've got a few new opportunities, like the Get Messy teaching. I've got a few opportunities that are like that I've been doing for a few years, like Lifebook and Book of Days and Creative Jumpstart, and it's all just, I don't know, I feel like I don't have to scrabble so much at the moment. Maybe that feeling will change, but right now I'm feeling a sense of calm, which is nice. Anyway, I'm gonna go and get ready to go out in a minute, and I will talk to you later. What nice British weather. We're in the car, it's dark, there's some kids back there, there's a husband here driving. Lots and lots of rain. Hello, it's Pajama Iris. It's Sunday, it's 10 to 6. Oh god, weekends. They are, I don't know, they're like marginally relaxing, and also just getting that feeling like there's lots of stuff to do and you just don't get around to any of it. Anyway, small steps towards Christmas. Small steps trying to get the kids to still like do their homework for the last week of school. Anyway, I have relaxed. This has been like a low-key relaxing weekend, especially considering that I haven't got out of my pajamas today. I'm gonna close out this vlog here. Tomorrow's a new week, y'all. Y'all? I don't say that. I say yo. Tomorrow is the last school week, the last week before it is the Christmas week, so yay! I'm excited. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you're still enjoying these vlogs. Thanks so much for sticking with me, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye!